Hi YouTube. As you can see, I got 3 packages. So I'm gonna start with the smallest one. This is actually my first unboxing. So I hope you can see the tray. Beautiful colors. It's a huacan. Oh, here you can see the little picture. Let's open it. It's a really small one. It's 20 by 20. 40 colors. It's high for a little one. So let's open it. Oh, it's gonna be beautiful. Look at it. Can you see how beautiful? Look at that. Yeah, it's very beautiful. Okay, let's do the other side. That's gorgeous. For a little one, it's really detailed. Yeah, okay. So let's take a look at the colors. I will not count them on camera or see if I get all of them. We'll just take a quick look at the colors. Wow. Oh, these colors are beautiful. Can you see those colors? Oh, they are gorgeous. Lots of pinks, blues, green, brown. Yeah, they're beautiful. It's gonna be a very beautiful picture. Lots of pinks. Okay, let's go to the next one. It's the second one. I think it's the same size of the other one, so let's see what's inside. Oh no, it's a bigger one. Same tray as the other one. Also a huacan. And the picture here. If you really can see it, but it's a mouth with butterflies. Beautiful colors again. And this one is a 20 by 20. Oh, it's the same size as the other one. It looked bigger. It looks a lot bigger. than the other one. I think it's a bigger one. That cannot be a 20 by 20. Looks a lot bigger than that. Cool. No, it's bigger. It is not a 20 by 20. I think they... What did I order? I'm not sure. Okay, let's open it. There are lots of white. Well, this one is gonna be gorgeous too. But I'm sure it's bigger than 20. The other one is 20 and it's much smaller. I think this one is a 30 by 30. But it says 20 by 20, so... Do I have my ruler here? Somewhere? No, I know this is a bigger one. I think just... I don't remember what I ordered. Did I order 20 by 20 or did I order bigger? Let's stay that way. Yeah, it's gonna be beautiful. The other side with the butterflies. But and the canvas is really clear. No, that's a 20 by 20, so I think it's 30 by 30, the other one. Wait. No, I think they just yeah, it's gonna be a beautiful one. And the colors, let's look at the colors. I'm sorry for the noise it makes, but well, a lot of... Can you see that? Oh, they are beautiful too. Look at the colors. Wow. Not a lot of black, which I'm happy for, because the other ones, I always have a lot of black, so... Yeah, but it's gonna be gorgeous. Okay, so let's do the last one for today. So I just checked my order, and apparently they I did order a 20 by 20, but they sent me a 30 by 30. So I am not complaining. So let's do the last one. I think there are 2 canvases, 2 or 3. So let's do the last one. Oh, I'm so excited. I know what's in it, but I know what these are. These are my little owls. As you can see, that's 1 and there's 2. I think they look beautiful. So these are 30 by 20 and the other is the same. So both, one has 30 colors and the other has 35 colors. So I got my favorite tweezers. I love these. I always use these. So thank you. And I got another one. I got 2 of these. Yes. So these are the colors. That's 1. And that's 2. Let's open the canvases. So I'm gonna start with opening one. Okay, no. They're beautiful. I don't usually buy a lot of things with owls, but I thought this looked beautiful. It's small, but... And this one is from Evershine. So... Oh, it's gonna be beautiful, this one. I always think I have to buy big, but... As you can see, sometimes little is also beautiful. I'm gonna try to show you, but... Okay. Look how beautiful. And you can really see the roses on... Oh, that's beautiful. Let's do the other side. So it's flat. No. One time... Oh, yes. Now I got it. But it's... I have like something underneath. Oh, it's a... a loose one. I don't know from which canvas, but... Okay, let's do the other side now. No, it's gonna be beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Can you see it? Wait. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Okay. Let's look at this. Oh, there's something underneath? No, no. Okay, let's look at which one is it? No, that's not that. It's this one. Yes, it's this one. So let's take a quick look at the drill. It seems like I have a lot of paintings with purple, pinks. Yeah. But it's beautiful. I love those colors. Oh, look at that one. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's really beautiful pink. And as you can see, they gave me, there are 4 or 5 blues in it. And I don't have blue, so the same here. I got orange. And a... No, it's not the black one. Okay. Let's take a look at the last one from the unboxing. Okay, that's this one. Let's take a look at the last one. If I can open it. try not to cut the canvas. Right, let's take a look at this one. So both evershine, both 20 by 30, both square. Oh, look at that! It's gorgeous! Oh, that's so beautiful. Just look at it. Look. Wait. Wow, it's beautiful. I love it. I love it. Okay, let's do the other side now. So it's flat. Oh, the other one is laying on top of the other one. Okay, let's do this one first. And then this one. Oh, it's gonna be beautiful. Yes, I'm very happy. So let's take a look at the drills. If I can find where I have to open it. Right. Okay. Yeah, the same. A lot of blue, purple, not blue, purples, browns, bit of yellows, green, gray. Yeah. Oh, really dark purple, I think. Yeah, that's beautiful. So this one has 30 colors and the other one is had 35 colors. So this is it for this video. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see my stash, if you want to see the other ones I just purchased, no, that I just bought but didn't do a video about. I have a lot of paintings that I still have to check. You can call it a diamond painting haul. Just let me know in the comments below what you would love to see, and I'll see you next time. Bye.